Welcome to today's Bitcoin daily analysis. In today's video, we're going to be looking at DXY to see what is happening to DXY. Now, why are we looking at DXY? Now, DXY has a lot to say about what will happen to Bitcoin if Bitcoin is bullish and if Bitcoin is bearish. Now, yesterday there is an FOMC news whereby the Fed is still, holding their rate. Now, what does that mean to dollar? To me, I think dollar will be more strong in this month of July, whereby we'll see some bearish moves in Bitcoin and other asset classes like stocks and the rest. So we're going to be seeing strong dollar this month of July. So we're going to be doing analysis in dollar, looking at what we are seeing in dollar and where we're expecting a possible pullback from dollar, and see how you can take advantage of all these things in the market. Now, if you're watching our video for the very first time, welcome to Bitcoin daily analysis. Now, here in Deep Tutors, we'll do analysis of a Bitcoin every single day. We can check out our past videos and see what we have been saying about Bitcoin and see how it's playing out. So if you're new to cryptocurrency and you want to get started with crypto, this is the best channel you need to be. All you need to do is to like our videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and turn on the bell notification, because I'm going to be explaining to you about Bitcoin every single day. Let's get straight into the chart. Alright, so this is DXY right here. As you can see, DXY is massively important to the upside. So this is daily chart. You can see we created this higher high, and this is a higher low, and now we are creating another high high. Now, what are we expecting? You can see the pullback coming up on the daily time frame. So we're going to be expecting pullback possibly to this level. Now, if this level couldn't hold, we're going to go down to this level, maybe start shifting to the upside. So this is possibly two areas where we're going to be taking our longs. So let me bring my discount and premium to take it from the top to the bottom where all the moves started. So let me just take it to the extreme. So you can see, based on the premium and discount tool, where are we going to take in longs? Now you can see we're going to be expecting pullback from here to this area. From here to this area. If this area couldn't hold, we can actually deeply move to the downside to this area before we start seeing the change in structure in this lower time frame and start taking the market longs. So let's go to 4 hours to see what is happening in 4 hours. Alright, as you can see in 4 hours, you can see what is happening. So let me go ahead to zoom it correctly so you see it very clear. So let me go ahead to show you. Alright, so let me delete this premium and discount tool on the daily time frame. You can see now, looking at the 4 hours, you can see what we are seeing clearly right here. Now, probably let me talk about this thing. This is a kind of supply level on 2003. I don't think it will make sense. Let me go ahead to delete it. I don't think the market will react at that place based on what is happening to Bitcoin currently. Now you see what is happening to DXY and the 4 hour time frame. Now we can see we are expecting that pullback yesterday to this level, but we didn't. It was not successful. The market keep pushing up. Like I always say, the market can choose to go as high as it wants before retracing. All you need to do is just to follow the trend. But look at what happened next. We broke structure on the 4 hours. So this is very, very important. We broke structure on the 4 hours. So if you now ask a question, where is our recent range we are trading from? I think this is where we are trading from at the moment, because this was a higher low and this was a strong higher low. Why is it a strong higher low? Because this higher low broke structure. So that's why it's a strong higher low. So this is what I'm looking at. I'm expecting the market to pull back to this area. As you can see, it's already at the 50%. But what I'm expecting very closely is to expect the market to deeply pull back to this place, down to this place. And once the market gets to this area, I'll start going to the lower time frame. If we start seeing change of structure, how the market started shifting to the upside, we start seeing this kind of formation. Honestly, I'm expecting DXY to start making higher highs. To me, I am very bullish on DXY right now. DXY is very, very bullish. Looking at what is happening here, I am not in any time trying to predict DXY to be short. So DXY is very, very bullish at the moment, looking at what is happening on the daily time frame and the 4 hour time frame. So let's go to Bitcoin to see what is happening to Bitcoin. So this is Bitcoin on the daily time frame. You can see Bitcoin here. So let me go ahead to make it big so we can see everything clearly. So what we are doing in this channel is to analyze Bitcoin from the daily time frame down to the lower time frame, so you can see where we are possibly taking all our trades and how we are taking advantage of it. So you can see the daily lower high right here. This is a big daily lower high where we're expecting the market to pull back to, so we can, either we break it and start looking for more upside opportunity, or either we get to those areas and sell off. So any of those things can happen. But you see what the market did. The market pushed up, but it didn't get to that area and start flushing to the downside. You can see the market didn't get to those areas and start flushing to the downside. Now we started flushing to the downside and broke mini structure. These are mini structures. Now this was a mini structure who broke it with a body close. Now what are we doing next? We're going to be expecting what we call a pullback and another sell-off. Now where is the pullback? You can see where the move originated from. This move originated from this candle, from here to this place. So as you can see, we have pulled back 50%. We have pulled back 50% on the daily time frame. So to me, I'm expecting shorts. So where is the possible area we can actually take short? I think we're going to find out on the 4-hour time frame. But looking at on the daily time frame, there is this big right here, this big wick right here. You can see this big long wick candle. I don't know if you can see it correctly. So this is a big wick. So we're going to be seeing where we can take short positions in this big wick right here. So let's go to the 4-hour time frame to see where we're going to be taking our area of interest, so we can start taking shots. So this is the 4-hour time frame. You can see the 4-hour time frame. You can see the big daily lower high. This is the big daily lower high. So this is where we broke structure with a body close. It was very precise here. This is where we broke structure. You can see this, we just wicked here. There was no body close, signifying sells. So this was a breakup structure right here. So this was a pullback. Yeah, 50% pullback. So where did we gather momentum to break this structure? It's from this place. So let's draw our discount and premium tool. This was where we gather momentum and broke the structure. So if you look at what is happening to Bitcoin right now, we are currently in an area where I can short the market. Now you see how the market is correctively moving to the upside. Now all these moves right here is a corrective movement. You can see how it's moving to the upside to go and tap into this area of 20,900 region. So this is where the market is actually moving, and if the market gets to this is a possible area where I can be looking for shorts. This place right here, this place I just marked, is a possible area I can be looking for shorts in the market. So because this is a clear lower high that broke structure where I can start taking shots. So let's go to 1 hour to see what is happening. You see how we are stacking all our confidences to know a possible area where we can start taking shots. So you can see what is happening to Bitcoin at the moment. We are failing to create higher highs. You can see what is happening. See what is happening here. So let me get my my arrow. You see we broke structure here. That was a structure break. So this was another structure break right here. So this was another structure break. So here we did not break structure. Here we didn't break structure right here. So let me show you. We did not break structure here. So we didn't break structure here. So what am I expecting? And since we didn't break structure here, we broke structure to the downside. You can see we broke structure to the downside right here. So now we had this pullback when we broke this structure. You can see this pullback. Yeah, you can see this pullback, but this was a very, very corrective move. To me, this is very, very tricky. All you need to do is to be careful, because you don't need to be taking trades in any way you see in the market. To me, I'm comfortably waiting for when the market will tap to this area. Yeah, if I'm waiting for it to see the market tap into those areas and start possibly looking for my shorts in those areas. This is a good area to look for shorts. So let's go to 15 minutes. So you don't need to force things, guys. You don't need to force things, guys. So you need to be very careful to make sure you don't make mistakes, because this is financial market. If you make mistakes, you're gonna pay dearly for it. So, but if you apply risk management, even if you make mistakes, it's normal. But when people lose a lot is when they don't apply risk management. All right, so you can see what is happening here. So yesterday we talked about the market selling, but you see we have a possible push right here. We have a high right here. This is a recent high that we have where the market is actually reacting from. So the question is, are we going to sell off here? Are we going to push up to these deep levels? So to me, if we're going to sell off here, I'm going to be seeing the market committing. Now what do I mean by committing? I want to be seeing the market with some movement, showing me, signifying that the market is going down. Now looking at what is happening, it shows that the market is going down because we actually broke structure here. This was a structure break. So this was a structure break, and this was a pullback. We are trying to break another structure. So, but these are minor structures because they didn't break any major one. But this is what I'm looking at. This is the level I am looking at. I'm looking forward to see the market taking out this low. Now, if the market take out this low with a body close like this, if the market take out this low, this higher low with a body close, I'm expecting a pullback, 50% pullback here, and start taking the market to the downside. So this is the first possible trade I'm going to be taking, but that will be when we break that particular structure. So signifying that the bears are taking control of the market. So this gives me the confidence where to put my sell limit and start shorting the market, because looking at what is happening here, we just tap into this area that I just talked about yesterday, that we might tap into those areas and start seeing the market selling off, of which we just tap into that area, and I'm going to be looking for more confluences to be able to confirm that this market is going to sell before I pull my sell trigger. So but if that didn't happen, I'm expecting the market to tap into these deeper levels. So this is the first one. This is the first deeper level area. Then we'll just have another one. This is our daily lower high. Yeah, this is daily lower high. So we're going to be looking at these levels to see how the market react to those areas, or how the market get there. But possibly we're going to be seeing shorts coming in. So but if that didn't happen, we're going to be seeing the market maybe from here push up to the upside before we start seeing changing structure. The market structure starts shifting. We start seeing the market going to the downside. So you just have to be very careful and make sure you trade wisely and take higher probability trades. You don't need to take trade anywhere. So thank you for watching this video. Tomorrow I'm going to still bringing to you more update of what is happening to Bitcoin. Like you can see, I'm expecting shorts, but before I take that short, I want to see this structure taken out. This structure right here, I want to see it taken out with the body close. I want to see the market breaking this structure with the body close. So let me make it big for you to see. So I want to see area of 20,300 for the market to break it with the body close. If we have a body close, a market bearish body close candle, I'm going to be looking for a lower high and start taking the market short. So this is what I'm expecting for Bitcoin. So thank you for watching this video. All I want from you is to like this video, share this video to everyone that's into Bitcoin and into cryptocurrency, and like our videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and turn on the bell notification. See you in the next video.